Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea tree oil at home. Gather fresh tea tree leaves and a carrier oil like fractionated coconut or olive oil. Chop leaves and pack them loosely into a clean glass jar, then pour oil to cover by 1 inch. Seal the jar and place in a warm spot for several weeks, shaking daily to help release oils and flavors into the carrier. For a simple infusion, bruise or lightly chop tea tree leaves to help release their active compounds, then pack them into a glass jar. Pour your chosen carrier oil over the leaves, ensuring they are submerged by at least 1 inch to avoid mold. Seal the jar and set it in a warm, sunny spot for 2 to 4 weeks, shaking gently each day to encourage extraction and even infusion throughout the oil. Quick recommendation: if you've been hauling jars and herbs in the car, life's too short for a stinky ride, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep things smelling crisp and clean. It's an easy pick-me-up after a DIY session. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more natural DIY tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After your infusion period, strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve, then filter again using a coffee filter to remove tiny particles. Transfer the clarified oil into dark glass bottles to protect it from light and degradation. Keep bottles in a cool, dry place and label them with the date and contents so you can monitor freshness. For longer shelf life, consider refrigeration or adding vitamin E as a natural preservative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.